In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the notification settings in Miro, a powerful visual collaboration platform that many people are turning to for its innovation-friendly features. Whether you're new to Miro or looking to customize your setup, we'll walk you through the process of managing your notification preferences step by step, ensuring your interactions are as streamlined and productive as possible. To get started, let's head over to the Miro login page. Open your web browser and enter the URL, or simply search for Miro login in your preferred search engine. Once there, you should see an option to sign in using various methods. For our purposes, go ahead and click on the Continue with Email button. This is the method you'll use to access your Miro account using your registered email address. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Miro dashboard, which serves as the main interface where you can manage, create, and collaborate on boards. Your next step is to click on the Profile section, which is typically located on the top right corner of the dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your account settings and preferences. Within the Profile section, look for the Notifications option. This is where you can gain finer control over which updates and alerts you wish to receive from Miro. Once you click on Notifications, you'll find a list of available notification settings pertaining to different activities and interactions within your boards. Now let's focus on refining these notifications according to your preferences. You'll likely see a series of checkboxes corresponding to different notification types. For instance, you might want to receive alerts for new comments on a board or updates when changes are made by your collaborators. You can toggle each checkbox on or off depending on what sort of notifications you prefer. It's generally a good idea to enable notifications for the most critical updates while minimizing distractions from less relevant alerts. As you adjust these settings, take some time to consider the nature of your collaboration. If you're leading a project or need to stay informed on every change, keeping more notifications enabled might be beneficial. Conversely, if you're an occasional user, you might prefer limiting alerts to avoid unnecessary disruptions. In conclusion, customizing your notification settings in Miro is a straightforward process that empowers you to tailor your experience in a way that best supports your workflow and communication needs. By taking a few moments to fine-tune these preferences, you can ensure that Miro remains a useful tool in enhancing your productivity and collaboration efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your Miro experience.